Assalamu alaikum. 2D house plan and costing idea. Single bedroom, dimension 12 feet into 11 feet 4 inch. Kitchen exist door. Kitchen room dimension 8 feet 3 inch 11 feet 5 inch. Living room dimension 24 feet 5 inch into 11 feet 5 inch. Front exist door. Dining room size 19 feet 6 inch into 11 feet 5 inch. Single bedroom dimension 12 feet into 11 feet 4 inch. Another single bedroom dimension 12 feet into 11 feet 4 inch. Common bathroom dimension 8 feet 3 inch into 5 feet 6 inch. Attached bathroom dimension size 8 feet 3 inch into 5 feet 6 inch. Single bedroom dimension 12 feet into 11 feet 4 inch. Plan length 37 feet 8 inch. Plan width 35 feet 10 inch. Now let's calculate the approximate construction cost. Total floor plan area 1349.72 square feet. Construction cost per square feet 2000 rupees. Foundation cost per square feet 400 rupees. Total foundation cost 5.4 lakhs rupees. Construction cost per floor exist foundation cost 27 lakh. Cost per floor include foundation 32.4 lakhs. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe.